Hello guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Shopee voucher code M02. To fix this error, you have to make sure your internet connection is working fine. For this, you have to scroll down your status bar and now try to switch on your mobile network to your Wi-Fi. And now open your Shopee app and try to redeem your voucher. If this is not working for you, then you have to scroll down again and here you will see aeroplane mode option. Click on aeroplane mode for 5 seconds and wait for 5 seconds and now click on again it and then open your Shopee app and try to redeem your voucher. Hopefully this will fix your issue. If this method is not working for you, then you have to completely close your Shopee app and then reopen it to see if the issue is resolved or not. Try to redeem your voucher code. Hopefully this will fix your issue. Thanks for watching.